Hello, this is Willa, and today I have a customer service virtual hiring event from Spectrum. Spectrum is out of Columbus, Ohio. The position is paying $16.50 an hour, and they are looking to hire quite a few customer service representatives. This job, you'll learn more at the hiring event. The event is invite only, so please RSVP to receive further details at the link that I will leave below this video. The event dates are June 17th and June 24th. They're both on Wednesdays. The time is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. The work environment is remote, work from home. A hiring event is like a job fair, but more personal because it's just for Spectrum. This way, they can meet you and others and quickly match you off with jobs. They would like you to get a head start by filling out an application on the Spectrum career website and completing the skills assessment. You must complete that assessment to continue the interview process. We recommend using a computer in a distraction-free place. If you're curious about the role of a customer service representative at Spectrum, it's called Internet Voice Repair. You will learn new skills to connect people in ways that really matter. Their Internet Voice Repair representatives are tech-savvy problem solvers who learn how to make a real difference for their customers. At-home fixes, order processing, support escalation, optimizing high-speed services is all about creating a positive customer service experience. You will learn a range of computer applications in their fully paid training program. You will have peer mentoring and support that will give you everything you need to succeed and get comfortable in the role. They would like you to bring copies of your resume for reference. So they will have questions for you about your experience, and it helps to have your resume in front of you. They also encourage you to be prepared with questions for them too. And just to reiterate, job type is full-time, permanent. The pay is $16.50 per hour. The benefits are health insurance, paid time off, retirement plan, and tuition reimbursement. And I will leave a link for this hiring event below this video. And if you feel that you would like more information, you can find it at the link that I'll leave below the video. And maybe you would just like to enjoy and try to attend the meeting. Thank you for listening and have a good day.